E aí, galera, bora para mais uma explicação? Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to prepare you for your travels. If you're a beginner in English, if you're level A1, please do not worry. Take a deep breath. I'm going to speak very, very slowly today. We're going to take this journey together. This is your traveler's survival kit. By the end of our time today, you'll have exactly what you need to travel the world.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the study method, then move into greetings and basic needs, getting around the city, hotels and restaurants, emergencies and safety, and finally, your monthly goal. We'll take this step by step. Section 1. The study method and how to use this kit.
So, how do you actually study these phrases without feeling overwhelmed? Well, first you familiarize. In weeks 1 and 2, read the Portuguese, listen to the English, and repeat out loud. Absolutely no pressure. Step 2 is memorize. In weeks 3 and 4, pick 20 phrases a day to review. Step 3 is practice. Start using them with a partner. And finally, step 4 is automate. This is the magic moment when you speak without thinking. Remember, daily review is the absolute key to getting there.
Section 2. Greetings and basic needs, arriving at your destination. Okay, let's dive right into this. Let's look at some basic greetings. I'll speak the English very slowly. Ready? Hello. Hi. In the morning, you say, good morning. When the sun goes down, you say, good evening. And when you meet a new person, say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now this next phrase is an absolute lifesaver. Repeat after me. I don't understand. Let me say that again. I don't understand. It's perfectly okay to use this when you're learning. If someone speaks too fast, just smile and say, I don't understand. People will be happy to help you. Now for your basic needs. These phrases will solve 90% of your problems when you arrive. First, where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Next, I need water. I need water. When you want food, say, I'm hungry. And finally, a very polite, helpful phrase. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Section 3. Getting around the city. Transport and money. To get a car, you say, I need a taxi. If you want the train under the ground, ask, where is the subway? Where is the subway? When you want to buy something, you need to ask the price, right? Just say, how much is it? How much is it? And to pay, ask, do you accept credit card? Make sure to repeat these out loud. Here's a very specific, important word. ATM. ATM. This is the English word for Caixa Eletrônico. It's the machine where you can withdraw cash. So, if you need paper money, you ask, where is the ATM? This is absolutely crucial for getting cash abroad. Section 4. Hotels and restaurants. Eating and sleeping. Let's role play a bit. Imagine you're at the hotel front desk. First, tell them, I have a reservation. I have a reservation. If there are 2 of you, say, I need a double room. In the morning, to eat, ask, is breakfast included? Breakfast included? And to know when to leave, just ask, what time is checkout? Now, you go to a restaurant. First, ask the waiter, a table for 2, please. Then, you need to see the food list, right? Say, can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? You already know this one, I want water. And if you don't know what to eat, just ask, what do you recommend? What do you recommend? You know, English can be very simple. When you finish eating, you only need 3 words. The bill, please. The bill, please. It's short, it's simple, and it's highly polite. Section 5. Emergencies and safety. Staying safe abroad. If you are hurt, you say, help. I need a doctor. Listen closely to my pronunciation. Help. Help. I need a doctor. Speak this one loud and clear. Let's slowly go through a few more emergency phrases. Call the police. Call the police. If your document is gone, say, I've lost my passport. If you need medicine, where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? And if your body hurts, I'm not feeling well. Just having these written down on your phone will give you immense confidence. Section 6. Your final monthly goal. Putting it all together. Here's your most important advice. Your dica importante. Please don't try to memorize everything at once.
No way. Start with the priorities. First, greetings, then basic needs, then transport. That's enough for now. And please practice out loud every single day. Speak the words in your room, speak them in the shower. The true goal here is to use the phrases, not just decorate them. You can do this step by step.
And that brings us to the end. 50 plus. If you follow this guide in just 4 weeks, you'll automatically use over 50 essential phrases. You'll ask for help, and you'll travel with complete confidence. So, I'll leave you with this question. Now that you have the words, what beautiful country will you visit first? Thank you for studying with me, and I'll see you on your next journey.